Hi there, welcome to this video tutorial on calculating the mean, median, and mode for a set of data. In this case, our set of data is going to be just this list of numbers here. The first thing I did to start off was wrote the list in numerical order. I just have these underlined here to show I underlined them as I went to make sure I got all of the data in my numerical list. The first thing we're going to calculate, first measure of center, is the mean. To calculate the mean, we're going to go ahead and add all the numbers up and divide by how many there are. To add them up, you're welcome to use your head or a calculator. Just to make sure we do it right here, go ahead and use a calculator. And we get 69. So we go ahead and take 69. Oh, if this pen will work. I guess we'll go back with the orange pen. We'll take 69 and we'll go ahead and divide by how many numbers there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome to use your calculator again. Dividing by 10 though, we know we just scoot the decimal over. So that means our mean is 6.9. Next up we have our median. The median is simply the middle number in your set of numbers. So to find the middle, I just either put my fingers on the edges and go ahead and scoot in. You can just count how many numbers there are. Here in our case we have the middle is 6 and 7. Now 6 and 7 are two numbers. You can't have two numbers for your median. So if you have an even set of data like we do, we have 10 values, we'll go ahead and just calculate the average of the two middle numbers. 6 plus 7 is 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So our median is actually 6.5. Our mode is the number that occurs the most often in our set of numbers. In numerical order, it's easy to see which number occurs the most frequently. As I go through and look, I can see that each number is only used one time, so there is actually no mode. Okay, let's go ahead and do it again for this next set of data here. Alright, for this next set of data, we need to put the list in order. I didn't put it in order this time, so we could just practice making sure we do that okay. So I'll have 1, 2 2s, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and 12. Alright, that makes our list just a little bit easier to work with. Again, the first thing we'll find is the mean. That's just the average. To do this, we'll go ahead and add all the numbers up and divide by how many numbers there are. So, adding all the numbers up, we get 48. So, adding all the numbers up, we end up with 48. Then we'll divide 48 by how many numbers there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll divide 48 by 9. You can do the division in your head, or you can do the division with a calculator, and to get 5.3 repeated. Both of these answers would be sufficient. 48 over 9 can be reduced, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to reduce 48 over 9. If you use the decimal, you can use it, I guess, as long as you make sure you put the repeating over the 3, so we don't truncate the decimal, because that would not actually be the average. Okay, next up is our median. We find our median by finding the middle of our data. Since it's an odd number, there is actually going to be a middle. The middle is 4, so our median for this set of data is 4. Our mode is the number that occurs the most often. Looking at this list, we can very easily see that 2 is the number that occurs most often, so 2 is our mode for this set of data. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.